We've come away to a Mediterranean island for a little holiday.
I'm sure we can get a bit of board game playing in. Hi, I'm Julian and this is Libby and we are from BoxedMeeples. So yes, we are on our summer holidays. We've come to a beautiful Mediterranean island. We've managed to fit some board game playing in on the plane.
We did, although on a tablet because the plane was very, very tiny and those little trays we couldn't fit much on at all. So we played Viticulture on the app and also Castles of Mad King Ludwig, which I lost.
Yeah, you did too well on that. Hopefully we'll do a bit better as we explore the island, and we're going to play a few board games as we go around. So walking along on this Mediterranean island surrounded by boats, of course we're going to play some Viking Raiders. So Viking Raiders is a quick game you can play in sort of 45 minutes an hour, ideal for sitting in a bar, drinking some sangria when you're around these beautiful boats. It's a kind of set collection game but with a high amount of interaction between the players. There's always a chance that if someone's getting ahead, you can just raid them and get that card you want and then suddenly you're ahead. So fantastic game to play while you're sitting in the sun. So we've had a great day today playing lots of board games by the pool, and we've discovered kind of the joys of roll and writes because they don't involve a lot of components, they don't take up a lot of table space, they've been really fantastic to play in this kind of situation.
Yeah, we've played My City Roll and Build, which is a great take on the bigger version of the game. You get all that sort of legacy and new things to do each time you have another page. And in just such a compact little thing where you've just got a sheet each and a pen and you're good to go. Well, a couple of dice as well.
And we also played Walking in Burano Roll and Write, and that was entirely new to us. We haven't played Walking in Burano before, but I think that worked really well. A big decision to make in that game.
Lots of decisions, all the different coloured dice that make such a difference as to what numbers on what colour and what you're starting to get to gather together, and whether you're going to need to get some coins that round to not let someone get ahead of you and things like that. Yeah, so really enjoyed that one and can't wait to play that a bit more, but perfect for holidays. We're hanging out on our balcony and we have been playing a couple of card games, both of which are from Hachette Games. Firstly, Vaalbara, which is a really great artwork and your sort of set collection, and you've got clan powers. Each card you're playing down has a different number and it does a different action, but you don't know who your opponent has in hand to use. So some of them might say, oh, if you're the player with the lowest card or if you're the highest card, etc. And they all do different things, so that's really fun and looking forward to getting that to the table again and again. And the other one that we played is Food Trucks, also by Hachette. So Food Trucks we picked up because, I mean, we love a food truck, but on other travels that we've done to like LA and places like that, we've always gone to the food truck things, and of course when we go to board gaming conventions there's always food trucks there too, so they have this little special time with us. So we thought that that theme seemed super fun, super cute, and just meant a little bit of something to us. Also a card game, but feels very different in play. It's interesting really, you're trying to not play the same food as your opponents, so you're trying to be able to play as many cards as you possibly can, but without having any duplicates, so it's quite the mind trick.
Oh, I think we can do better than that.
We're in the bar of the hotel and there's quite a lot of people playing cards or Uno, those kinds of games, but we're going to try something a little bit different tonight. We are going to try Back to the Future A letter from the past. Now, as far as we can work out, it's going to be a bit like an exit game, but back to the future themed. So let's see how this one goes.
Now, despite my wearing a Back to the Future shirt, I wish I could say that went better, but the game's divided into sort of 3 chapters, and each one's meant to take you half an hour. It took us nearly an hour to do the first one, but yeah, it reminds me a lot of those exit games you get from Kosmos. It's clearly inspired by that, but obviously, as it has Back to the Future, it's instantly better for me. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. I'm playing some boop while I'm riding on a boat.
We've been playing Isle of Trains by Dranda Games, and that's an interesting one. I'm not normally one for a train game, but the card playing this is quite tricky. You have to benefit your opponent, but it gains you so many more cards or so many other benefits that you kind of have to do that rather than just putting your goods into your own train, because that would be quite a slow way and sort of least efficient way of getting what you need. But obviously by putting goods in your opponent's game to gain all those benefits that you're going to have might put them in a really good position. So some interesting choices in this one.
So that's it, our holiday is over, but we managed to fit in quite a lot of board games.
Yeah, we hope you've enjoyed seeing what we've played, and if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, liking and even commenting. What have you taken on your holiday? We'd love to hear from you. We are BoxedMeeples, and we do 2 to 3 videos every single week all about board games.
But as always, thank you so much for watching.
See you next time.
We're getting on that plane.